Gbpusd is one of the most traded forex currency pairs, and a lot of people are actually wanting to learn how to trade Gbpusd, but they don't exactly know how to trade Gbpusd profitably. Maybe a swing trader trying to learn exactly how to trade Gbpusd, maybe a day trader or even a scalper or an intra-day trader looking to learn how to trade Gbpusd, and you have been making series of mistakes, hitting SL back to back, losing a lot of money in the process, and probably blowing your personal account or losing your prop firm account or any other account they are managing. And this has made you think that Gbpusd might not be the pair for you, or maybe actually starting out with trading Gbpusd for the first time and you want to learn some techniques and things that you need to know about GBP USD. Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down every single thing you need to know step by step about GBP USD and how exactly you can get started. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you actually miss one step, you might end up not making any money with this strategy, because a lot of people just watch the first few seconds and then leave the video and then come back to say that they actually lost money. So make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end to actually get the overall idea of the video. So GBP stands for British Pound against the US dollar. So whenever you are taking a long or a buy on GBP you're actually saying that the Great Britain pounds is actually going to rise and then the USD is actually going to fall against the pound. But whenever you are selling GBP you are saying that GBP is going to fall. Is it that GBP is actually going to fall and then USD is actually going to go up? Now, these are basic things that you need to know while trading this, and this is the same thing common with other trading pairs. But you need to know that GBP is always reacting crazily to the market, because since it's one of the most traded pairs, it's actually very difficult for people to actually manipulate. That is the smart money in quotes for them to manipulate this pair, which is why I should actually trade with caution as I show you guys every single thing that you need to know. So make sure you stay tuned as you go to my guys. So right here, I'm on my screen right now. We're going to be talking about exactly how I actually catch this sniper entries in trades. So the very first thing you have to do is actually want to get the overall bias of the market. That is knowing the main trend, because as the term goes, the trend is your friend. So you actually have to go up to the daily time frame to actually understand what market is actually doing on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame right here, right now, you can actually see that the market is actually on a very, very much noticeable down trend. So you can see that from this point right now, market actually started coming down for a very long period of time. So let me pull up my tools and actually show you guys this, so I can illustrate this to you guys very well. So looking from, you can see the market was on a very much noticeable. Okay, let me change the color of this to blue. Yeah, so you can see that from this point, market is actually in a very much obvious downtrend, and as you can see here, there has been no breakout. So we're expecting the trend to continue, because market has actually been respecting this trend for quite some time now. And as you can see right here, market is actually at this other block here. So you might be expecting a reversal at this point. So there might be a reversal at this point or at the point which is below. So you can see that this has been going on for quite about 2 weeks now. Market has actually been on downtrend after being on a very obvious uptrend, and I can actually tell you that this is as a result of the news which has actually been going on for some time now due to the victory of Trump as the president of America. So you can see right here right now that going down to the 4-hour time frame, market is still obviously in a downtrend. Coming up to the 1-hour time frame, now if you're a day trader, the 1-hour time frame is actually going to be very, very useful to you. you're going to be using the 1 hour time frame very much. So I can share this GBPUSD, right? So you can actually do this on your own chart. So coming down to the 45 minutes, 30-minute time frame, and a 15-minute time frame. So you can share it here. On the 15-minute time frame, market is actually still in downtrend. So what we're going to be doing is to actually look for entries from this point. So let's go down to a lower time frame like the 5-minute time frame to actually get to understand things. So as you can see right here on the 5-minute time frame, you notice that market is actually creating lower lows. So from the obvious part, the market is actually creating lower lows. They're expecting more lows. So you can see when market actually comes down to, okay, let's go down to previous trades. So you can see right here when market actually comes down to here, it actually breaks this low and actually starts creating a lower low. So this is something that is very, very obvious from the trend. So you can see right here when market actually breaks a major low, then expect it to create lower lows. So you can see right here the market has actually broken this low right here. So market actually broke out this low. Let's take this. Market actually broke out this low, and as market actually broke out this low, we're going to be expecting lower lows to be created. Now if it were to be in an uptrend, then when market actually breaks a high, then you're expecting higher highs. But since market has actually broken this high right here, we're expecting that when market actually breaks another low, then you're going to be getting a more obvious downtrend. So you can see right here market actually repeated the same thing here, created a low here and actually mitigated this low. And once market mitigated this low, it actually started going way down. And then if you actually miss this trend, then it shows that you don't know actually what you are doing, because at this point market actually broke another low, and as it broke that low, you can see that market actually started pushing down without any retracement. So there was no retracement at all, there was no friction at all after market actually broke this low. So I don't really want to make this video to get way too long. I just want to prove a point to you guys. So the key thing is actually follow the trend, make the trend your friend, and then look for obvious structures to actually follow with the market. Now you can see that after market actually broke this low, there was no retracement to the upside again. So market, okay, let's say we're actually taking this trade. We put our SL here and then our TP here, and then boom, market actually started pushing down. Okay, let's put our SL at this point. Let's put our SL at this point, because when this low is taken off, the low becomes resistance and the high becomes a support. So you can see right here, assuming you actually took this trade, let's push this in. Assuming you actually took this trade, this is a clean 5-hour trade. So if you're risking $100, you're getting $500 from this trade. So the next thing, obvious thing you actually have to look out for is when market actually breaks this low, then I guess you guys actually should know what you should be doing, and that's going to be another trade altogether. So let me delete this stuff right here. So when market actually breaks this low, you're going to be expecting more down trends, and you're going to be putting your SL at this point. Okay, let's set our SL at this point, and then our TP, let's target. So this is a 5-hour trade. Okay, let's leave this at 5-hour. This trade at 5-hour like this, and yeah, so that is for this video, guys. So you can see right here, just the key is actually following the trend and actually observing different structures that are going to follow. If this trade actually plays out, then I'm going to be making an updated video for you guys. So let me show you guys my prop firm account real quick. So you can see right here, let's see this. So you can see right here, we actually have 3 trades running. So you can see right here, let me refresh this so you guys see that this is actually the live account. So you can see that there is
three trades running in actually good profit. So this $41 profit, this $23 profit, and then this is small loss on Euro URGBP, which I'm actually expecting a retracement to the downside because I've been selling GBP USD with. So this is on a prop firm account. So this is on a prop firm account. So you guys actually know that I'm really teaching you guys something that is actually very valuable.